time is it?
Game time. This is the first official leaf cleanup of the season. We maintained 10 cemeteries. I think this year we're not going to do a whole walkthrough. We're just going to say, hey, how's it going? We're here. We're back. And just start recording because it seems that's what you guys want. You guys want to watch us work, and that's what we're here going to do, I guess.
Touche, hombres.
We're going to get to work. Thanks for watching.
Invincible.
I think that took like a half an hour.
See what happened was
The wind was just helping so much.
It made it so easy though.
But what usually, how far does this thing shoot at? 6 to 10 feet? We were shooting.
I don't know. You was shooting me.
We were shooting like 20 foot. I feel like.
I know it's hunting season, but I ain't Bambi around here. That was really quick though, actually.
Yeah, that was That was really quick. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. This is the first one of the year.
It ain't the last.
It is not the last. So if you follow the channel, the hope is to be making so much more of these leaf cleanups. My hope is to record them all. If that's going to happen, I don't know, but we'll wait and find out. Thanks, guys.
Like, subscribe.
Man, he looks so cute, doesn't he?
Cut it out.